This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 8th, 2024. It's currently May 26th, 2024, 10:27 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading, $174.52 USD. The shuffle video for the July 8th reading was created on May 24th, 2024, 12:17 a.m. That's Eastern Time. It's also the video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the 8th, we have a pop and a drop. Behavior around the highest side, we have a big move to the upside, pushing the upper end of a range higher. Behavior around the lowest low, 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend off at that third cross, which should be to the upside. So you'll see the low twice with the 3 crisscrosses. And I'm advised to trade around a prominent move through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, break back down through with a full retracement. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. I'm not so sure that this is that we drop over the weekend here. This might be a move to the upside. So it looks like we do open lower, and then there's a rally in the pre-market. That rally offered trade opportunity, a decline like the pop, and then a full drop. 2 and 3 support to be noticed where we rotate sideways along that support right around the open. Then rallying into a key resistance, which we decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down off of that resistance. That resistance met somewhere between the open and 10 o'clock, and then that sideways, that decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down takes us into the 10 to 11 o'clock hour, and there's an unexpected move to the upside out of that decline, taking us to, this might be another peak, another opportunity to close along or open up a short, but we then decline between roughly 11 and 12. That decline ends with a fast sudden move higher, and then the lowest low for the day is either there between 11 and 12 or there between 12 and 1. We might see it more than once. I think we probably see it more than once here. See that like 11 and we see it just after 12 probably. It's an important support level on a 1 month chart scale minimum. And then there's that oppression card. So we're bound by a range, by the bottom end of a range there. Yeah, so it looks like we're bound by the lower end of a range, and by the 2 to 3 o'clock hour we're moving pretty significantly to the upside with some volatility in the last hour taking us into 3 pokes at the close. 3 pokes through the same resistance followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke, and that Empress card cross-trading congruency in the post-market. And then again here indicating that there's a good trade opportunity on the 9th. We also got that unicursal hexagram energy on the 8th. And it's a cross-trading congruency. We have unicursal hexagram energy here on the 9th, so we should see a pretty significant decline commence. The sneak preview for the 9th, we have an overbought crest that we sell off from through multiple support levels, and then that Empress card there as well. Likely there was a sharp drop into this, but hard to say. That's Boeing for July 8th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.